I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Newcastle in Apex Legends. Newcastle is a defensive legend, perfect for protecting your squad and controlling engagements. His kit revolves around deploying various shields to absorb damage and create safe zones. Understanding each ability is key to mastering his easy method playstyle. Let's dive into his core defensive tools and how to use them effectively in battle. Newcastle's tactical ability, the mobile shield, is your bread and butter for protection. It's a drone-controlled energy shield that moves with you, offering crucial cover. You can deploy it to block enemy fire from one direction, and even redirect its path by simply looking where you want it to go. This makes it perfect for reviving downed teammates in the open or safely advancing on enemy positions. His ultimate ability, Castle Wall, is a game-changer for securing positions. Newcastle leaps up to 55 meters to a chosen location, slamming down a massive, fortified wall. This wall provides excellent cover and can block enemy pushes or secure high ground. It has 3 segments, each with 250 hit points, making it incredibly durable for establishing a strong defensive perimeter. For an easy Newcastle strategy, always prioritize your team's safety. Keep your mobile shield ready to deploy at a moment's notice, providing instant cover during firefights or revives. Use your ultimate Castle Wall to establish strong defensive points, especially when holding a position or needing to block a choke point. This simple approach makes you an invaluable asset to any squad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.